Good stuff. Stopped out. Very nice. Oh, you're long. Okay, gotcha. All right, guys. I'm live on YouTube. If you guys want to chat here, you could chat. I'll chat with you. It's our first live YouTube session. I'll try to do as much as possible as we gain more people who are interested in sort of a free session to our chat room. So I'll do about 15, 20 minutes every day or almost every day. And that's it. So SPY right now is came down a lot. And now the 1 and 5 minute are crossing up while the 15 and 60 are still crossing down. So we do have some divergent pattern, which Douglas and Brandon, be careful with on Apple. If you look at SPY, you do have divergence, okay? I know you're going for the reversal, and you do have a market structure low forming on the 5 minute, which is a reversal setup on SPY. Just be careful with Apple because it's not really responsive. Just to let you guys know, on YouTube, they got in long at Apple long at 69, 127.69. Oopsie, 0.69. Your first targets are going to be the upper Bollinger Band, so 80s, 127, 80s, 127, 80s are targets first. Hey, Brandon, can you make sure I'm live on YouTube? If you're not in a trade, oh, you're in a trade. Wait till you're out of the trade. Oh, you're in there. Perfect. Very nice. Is it lagging or is it good? All right, that's fine. What can you do? I'm going to download the program. I'm using Google Plus. Maybe that's why. All right, so the 1 minute SPY is through the middle Bollinger Band, and 5 minute is through the 5 minute 5 MA. There goes your first target on Apple. Hey, can you give me the links? I have the link, sorry. Okay. Okie dokie. Good stuff, guys. Nice, Douglas. You see? You're getting acclimated already. Wait till you get level 2. CVX, Katie, still coming down. SPY has to fade with it, though, if it wants to continue to. Yeah, of course. Every bumper in this type of market, you should be partialing out. SPY is tightening here. Let's wait until it makes its decision on which way it wants to continue to go. It's pretty difficult to know at this point. Get pushed down here and then play around over there. And don't forget, we only have about an hour and 20 minutes left. Made some good money on futures. On the E-minis, about 125 on those moves. On one contract. MEI. Let's check MEI. SPY trying to break higher here. Trade alert. 196.61 early entry, or 196.76 for impact. Stop 1 minute middle Bollinger Band. Targets, we have to wait and see. First targets for sure are 196.84 or 196.60. No, 196.84. Yeah. We'll see. That may change. Anybody else going to take that? Douglas. Playing with the money. The SPY doesn't go up, we don't go with it, okay? We cancel, we look for something else. But now you should be looking for possible setup short as the SPY may reverse and fade. I don't see any shorts though. Does anybody else see any shorts? Nothing good enough. Apple's forming a counter candle, but it's too tight. Let's see what happens if it breaks the middle Bollinger Band on the 1 minute. All right, we're getting up there. Let's hope SPY fades with us here. If it doesn't, we have to cancel our order. What's the 15-minute 5 MA right now? 196.72. Good. We needed to break that. All right, looks like SPY's going to fade with us here. So keep your orders in. You're going to go for quick pops. SPY coming down big time. Keep your eyes on it. All right, I'm in. Not yet, actually. Didn't fill me. Hopefully SPY fades here. There we go. All right, first partial. 95s. Take him out, Doug. Take him out, Doug. Take him to school. Let's see it break. Let's see it break 196s. Partialing out some more here. Gonna try to take it to school going above 197s. I don't know if it's gonna have that or not. We'll see. How'd you like that one, Doug? What'd you get, 30 cents on that? 20 cents, 20 cents. All right, holding the 5 MA. I may sell here if it breaks to 5 MA. My last 100 shares, Doug. No, I didn't add more. The spread was too big to add on this once you're in. 74s. I took the impact stage. Douglas took the early stage. Come on, SPY. Fade it up. There it goes. Fade it up. $95s, $96s. All right, put it at 196.10. Put your order out. 197.10, sorry. Somewhere around those lines. See if you can. Oh, there it goes. 31s. Sell. And 10s exactly. Take that out. Boom. Good stuff, Doug. That's how you trade. Yeah, 40-cent pop. It's nice. About 40 cents, 30 cents. On top after it broke 197. The goal there is to get out as soon as possible when it pops like that, not to hold on. Is it a crystal ball? Nah. It's just our education. Musia, get out the bag. Musia, get out the bag. Oh, it's cat food. That's why. What's the slogan? Let me go feed these cats in a sec. Yeah, that is a good one. That was a nice trade, guys. Too bad there was only one viewer in YouTube for the first YouTube live session. At least it's recorded. And that was in a dry market, guys. Look at SPY. SPY was completely tight. We saw that. We saw in that anticipation, no transparency whatsoever, and we got out while everyone, when they saw that pop, you know, Douglas, let me explain something to you. When you sold, do you know who bought? Oh, let me feed these cats. Give me a sec. All right, so yeah, so the people who when you sold it to the people who are right now thinking it's going to be a long and a breakout. You follow? People who are just seeing the opportunity you sold to. That's the whole point of transparency. You're not the sucker this time, Douglas. You just became the wait. Is it the sucker or the sucky? At least you're getting acclimated to the setups, Doug. Even if you don't know how the setups are forming or what it is, you're starting early. Brandon did the same thing. I'm doing YouTube thing on Ticket TV. Let me know so I can send a link to my friend. That was young. Cool. Well, I'll be on it for the next 15 minutes, Brandon. If you want to send it to him now, I could give it to you. I have the link here somewhere. There it is. I'll do another 15 minutes. All right, so we just did a great trade. We took about, what was our last one? 20 cents, 70, 30. We took 50 cents out of Hum. All right, guys, that was really nice. Doug took 60 cents. He went for the early entry. What else can we find? Now SPY is choppy, so we have to wait for the next wave because it's in a channel, a tight channel, and it's going to trade between the bottom Bollinger Band and the middle Bollinger Band on the 5-minute. So we got to wait until it makes its next wave. For those of you in YouTube, this is our first live session. I got to fix up some. So UAL, DAL, CDS, CDX. What else is chopping around? LVS, UN, LVS, G Pro. That is good, 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 good. Okay, now we're clean. You will, Douglas, but it's going to take more than level 1. You're definitely going to have to get level 2 in the future. Level 1 just teaches you how to be consistent enough, which trades to take and which ones not to take. And honestly, that's really half the battle. So level 1 is just as important or even more important than level 2, even though level 2 is the meat and potatoes of our strategy. So level 2 will tell you how to get in and get out with the strategies, but level 1 will tell you which ones to get in, because you could have setups all the time, but just because you have the setups doesn't mean it's going to work out. You still have to be able to filter them, dissect them, and figure out which ones are valid enough for a move while the other ones are going to be fake outs. And that's all about level 1, disseminating headwinds going against your direction. Trust me, if I gave someone level 2 only, and then I gave someone level 1 only, I think the person in time, the person with level 1 will do better than the person than level 2. You will. All right, so SPY is starting to expand here a little bit. Let's see if it can hold its move. It's also touching its 15 MA on the 5-minute, which is causing the coil back down. So we'll have to see if it can push to the middle Bollinger Band, 210.26. All right, let's see the fibs. If we're near any fibs, we are not near any fibs, so we don't gotta worry. And I'm talking about the daily fibs. This hum may pop again right here, but I don't trust it. I don't think we're gonna get the same move as last time. There it goes. All right, so SPY making another leg up. That's good. Anybody see anything setting up? There's hum. Ooh-wee. All right, here is the moment of truth. If it could break through the 5-minute middle Bollinger Band, then we could consider SPY going higher. And after this, guys, I'm going to have to get off the mic because I have a webinar at 5 o'clock, and I have to get set up for that. Wow, look at that, 50 cents on hum already. I didn't expect that. Listen, take the first move and forget about it sometimes. Keep your profits. Ugh. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day on YouTube Live. I'll try to be in tomorrow. Maybe I'll do the morning session. So follow us on StockTwits, Twitter, Facebook, that way, or YouTube as a subscriber, and you'll be able to get notified when I'm going to be on live on YouTube. This is a nice way for you to get an inside look to our chat room, our education, our strategy, before you ever consider buying our education. you have any questions, email me at support@Alpha 7 Trading Academy. Have a great day, guys.